Yo, Mom, I'm hungry. What we making today?
Hi, Steven. Today I make a Banh Bao.
Okay.
I
So
make Banh Bao today.
I see you already made some stuff already.
Yes, I prepare early.
So you have some
Chinese
sausage,
sauces, boiled egg,
boiled eggs.
and the meat, brown pork.
This is the filling for the
Filling
inside, right?
inside, yes, brown pork.
I see you already made the dough for the Banh
I
Bao.
make a dough for 2-3 hours ago. I make a dough to make it rise, make the dough dry. So now ready.
Alright, so what you about to do now?
I'm cooking the egg and Chinese sauces.
Okay, so you're gonna cut them in half and then you're gonna put that inside the Banh Bao, right?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, she's just simply cutting it in half. Alright, so now she's about to cut the sausage, right?
Yes.
And this is going in inside the Banh Bao too?
Yes. I cut the sauces now to go inside the Banh Bao.
Okay, so she cuts it in half. Oh. And then you're gonna dice them or cut them up? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Mom, so what you about to do now?
Yes. I make the filling inside.
Okay, so you're just portioning out the filling for the Banh Bao.
Yeah.
So she just puts it in her hand, she makes it into a ball. So Mom, what did you put in the filling for the Banh Bao?
Oh, raw pork, some carrot.
Carrots, I see green, is that?
Yeah.
Was it peas?
Peas, onion,
onion.
little. You can put anything. You can put dry mushroom.
Oh yeah, dried mushrooms.
Dry mushroom and salt and a little bit sugar and oyster sauce.
Okay.
And black pepper and mushroom powder.
Okay. Yeah, so she already started making these. I kind of showed up late, so you know, Mom doesn't wait for anybody. You know, I'm on her time, so yeah, I showed up a little late, but she already had his all made. She already boiled the eggs, and then she cut up the sausages, the Chinese sausages, and then over here you can see she already made the dough for the Banh Bao. So right now she's just portioning out the filling so she could wrap
I make 16 Banh Bao today.
16 Banh Bao? Oh, so this is enough for 16?
Yeah, it is a Banh Bao, so I have to make 16 meat, 16 filling.
So this is the package she uses for the dough. You can find this at mostly any Asian supermarket, and the instructions are on the back. So yeah, just follow the instructions, and then that's how you make the dough.
First, you have to put the powder here, so the dough don't stick. And then you bring the dough. Oh my God, smells really good.
There's like sugar in there, right?
Yes.
Is there sugar in there?
Yes.
Okay.
Sugar, milk, a little bit oil.
Now you're just kneading
little
out
bit.
the dough.
Yeah, maybe 1 minute, half minute to 1 minute, knead a little bit. And then here, you divide it.
And divide into 16?
Yeah, divide to 16. Here, you cut half.
Okay.
Half. And then you make this one more. This one 8, this one 8. So it will be 16. You just divide. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Damn,
8.
I'm surprised you got that. That's crazy.
8.
Yeah, it's how you know you've been doing this for a while, right?
Yeah. I used to make my own Banh Bao a long time, maybe 20 years ago. I love Banh Bao. And then you just cut one. And then Here. Here.
You rolling it out.
Roll it out.
So you want to roll it out big enough so when you put
Yeah, first you roll. Don't make it in here too thin.
Yeah.
Yes. Only outside thin. In the middle thick. Here. And then you put the egg on. And you put the sauces in. You can put how many sauces do you want? Doesn't matter. 2, 3 pieces. You like a lot of sauces, you can put 3. Some people like 2. So I put 3 because I love sauces. So first you do like this. Like this. And then you do like this. Like this. And you put in here. That's it. Put here. I love eat Banh Bao, so I make Banh Bao every couple months. And I make a lot of Banh Bao. I put in the frozen.
Yeah, you can freeze these too, right?
Yeah, freeze it,
Okay.
yeah. And then you just turn it to make all stick together.
So if you were to freeze this, do you just
Steam it
just steam it when you take it out and steam it?
Mm-hmm.
Man, this is just like a piece of paper she cut up, and that just keeps it from sticking to the bottom of the pan when she steams it.
Yes.
All right, so right now she's about to steam the Banh Baos. She got water steaming underneath here, and she's just gonna put them in. Like as you can see, we didn't like make them so pretty. Like we don't really care. Like we know how, like regular Chinese Banh Bao, they're like all twisted at the top and look all cute. Like we're trying to eat. We don't have time for all that. So yeah, she's just putting the Banh Baos in, ready to steam it.
Okay. 25 minutes.
Yeah, so while those are steaming, we're just gonna make the rest of these Banh Baos, and then I'll show y'all when it's done. So pro tip, my mom says she puts a little bit of the white vinegar inside the water. When she steams it, it supposedly keeps it like white. But I actually heard of that too. So yeah, she said she put a little bit of vinegar inside the water. So when it boils, or when it steams the bun, it keeps it white.
After 28 minutes, I took it out now. Beautiful now.
Alright, so we just got done with the Banh Bao. We're gonna take our first bite.
First bite.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers.
Let's go.
It's still hot. Still warm.
Mm.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's good. Like
Good.
the bun is fluffy,
Mm-hmm.
and the egg, it's like salty, and the meat is like really flavorful.
Mm-hmm.
And I like how you put the vegetables in there too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good.
Mm-hmm. Really good. Mm-hmm. I love Banh Bao.
If you guys want to see more of my mom's cooking videos, leave a comment in the section saying you want more. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and put a thumbs up.
Put a thumb up.
Yeah.
Yeah.